Hi everyone, we are at the temple point in Watamu, trying to see how the views are here. It's a very nice place next to the ocean, and their swimming pool is really nice, clean, as you can see. Also, they have nice scenery. I don't know whether this is north or west of Watamu, but it's really a nice place. As you can see, we're gonna take you around just to see how it is. The, it's a very quiet place as well, not congested, and I don't know what we're going to get here or what to see, but I think their rates are also good, and I've already started enjoying it. We'll go to the sea to see what's going on there, and also just to try to enjoy everything around. It's a very quiet place. I really enjoy it. Just trying to have my colada drink here, which is also made nicely. And later we'll go for swimming to see how I can float or I can sink again. Thank you.
We just spotted a monkey. The monkey is running away. Hey, you silly monkey. The monkey is carrying a baby. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey. Where? But that one doesn't have baby. Where? Hey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey. Don't show me your butt, monkey. YouTube will ban my video because of your butt. Ah! There is another monkey with a baby. Hey, monkey. Hey. How are you, monkey? What's the name of your baby, monkey? Hey, it ran away. And another one. They came here to eat, I guess. People in this resort feed them. Why don't you still look, monkey? Look what you're doing, huh? Look what you're doing. Who's gonna pay for your damage you made? People probably feed them in this resort. Hey, monkey. Both monkeys have. Oh, the one with the baby is still here. Okay.
What kind of monkey is that?
It's a silly monkey. Have you ever seen a monkey before?
I have seen several, but not this small one. These tiny ones, I don't know which breed of monkey is this.
Okay, I guess we're done with the monkeys. Let's go and catch that cat.
Okay.
We saw our first domesticated cat in Kenya. Usually those are street cats. Nobody gives a damn about cats. Hey cat, come here. Pose for my video, cat.
Come.
Cat. Don't destroy my video, cat. Cat. Oh, cat. Gato negra. Hey, cat.
Puss.
Hey.
Oh,
Ah. Why are you being so... Okay. Didn't manage to talk to a monkey. Didn't manage to talk to a little dog before. That's it.
Anytime. So long as you are ready and I'm satisfied, then other things will do when I'm back.
What are these people doing?
They are making a swimming pool.
It's not a swimming pool.
Okay.
these people are doing something. I have no idea what this is. You think this is a swimming pool? It's not. Go ask them what it is. Go ask them what it is and if we can take it home. We take one to Nairobi and we charge people to use it even though we don't know what it is and what it's used for. Ask them what it is.
You want to ask them?
Or we wait to see. When it explodes, we will know that it was not done properly. This is typical.
I think it's for music.
This is typical
how is it called?
canyon engineering.
I've forgotten the name.
It's,
how is it called, baby?
I don't know how it's called, but that's
reflects.
what canyon engineering is all about.
No,
You make something that have no use and nobody knows
they want to have
what is it for.
On the pool. So these are just where the lights or anything, I don't know.
Well, I guess it can float if you put it like this on this side. That's a back side. You put it in the pool.
But it won't float because it has some opening in between where they've joined it.
But it will float. You see the edges will float. And this is a back side that we are looking at now. If you know what it is, comment and you will get nothing. Some Kenyan art. Is this a fetus? This is a fetus. And black magic. What you doing down there?
I'm trying to float.
What is that over there? I have no idea what this is. What is this? It's for kids to play or for animals. No idea. Oh, this is like a hot tub. Okay. You're saying they have 3 or 4 times bigger ones? It's sunny, I cannot see what I'm recording very well. It's a beautiful lizard. Really beautiful colors. Oh yeah. It's really beautiful. Oops, 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 oops. No, run away. It's really a nice one. Na morskom palavom žalu, gde čarlija vetrić mio, plavušu sam bajnu snio. O, kako sam srećan bio. I dok sam joj govorio, drhtale su usne njene. A dosta je bilo, a? Yes.
enjoying the sunbath
So,
in the pool.
okay.
And you can see the sunset. I'm just watching the sunset as well.
Sunset. Ah, I don't see sunset.